Them are recognized for their outstanding contribution, and we call them Indian tourism ambassadors. One such great gentleman who owns 10 hotels, employs about 1,000 people, majority of them Indians. Having achieved great recognition in the UAE, this gentleman did not forget his roots. He is instrumental in building the Mahalingeshwara temple. Presently, he is the advisor for Sharjah, Karnataka, Sangha, and a core committee member for UAE Bucks. Put your hands together for the tourism ambassador for the Middle East, Mr. Praveen Shetty, Chairman and Managing Director, Fortune Group of Hotels.
Good evening, everybody. I start with the Bollywood song, but at an eternal truth of my life. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ए पतलून है इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे है टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. India has not been my karma bhumi, working place, but India is my janma bhumi, my birthplace. I may have away from my janma bhumi from many years, but I am happy that I have been thoroughly connected with our roots. Whatever food we eat, whatever language we speak, wherever the world we are, there are one thing that binds us, and I am sure we will agree to that. Our heart beats and bleeds for our motherland, India. Being a Kannadiga, I am a proud South Indian. I can proudly say that I have been successful in making an organization based on our Indian values, culture, and ethos. With the diversity we have, India has shown unity in diversity and diverses to be the top tourism destination of the world. Having said that, now being awarded as the Ambassador of India, I have much bigger responsibility to my shoulder. I would like to sincerely thanks to DDPL Publication, members of the jury for South India Travel Award, honorable dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen present in this hall tonight. I would also like to thank this opportunity to thank my family, my parents, and my dearest staffs. Especially my parents are keeping me close to India even I was far away from the country. Last but not the least, I have a strong belief that business people, we should measure our effectiveness not just by the profit our enterprise makes, but how we can use those profits to make our contribution to serve our community and discharge our social responsibilities. I may be one tonight being awarded as Ambassador of India, but truly speaking, each one of us here, the Ambassador of India, what we do for our country is that create impression globally. Let's not just do things right, let's do right things. I am a huge fan of Modi ji. I appreciate when he says, make in India. But we people in the industry know the challenges in tourism industry. I think it is now to first make India and make it global destination for tourism to grow with the Make in India campaign of our PM. And it is not possible by just one. we all have to rise and give our best efforts to do this mighty task together. So, on this note, let us take a pledge to make India. Thanking you once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Praveen.